friends, have you ever wondered why some plants suddenly stop growing? Their leaves losing color? Their flowers refusing to appear? Nature often hides her solutions in the simplest places, even inside something we crack open every morning. Today, I'm going to show you 2 powerful ways to use eggs to bring tired plants back to life. Before we dive in, make sure you stay with me until the end so you don't miss a single step. So let's begin. When you finish cooking, don't throw those eggshells away. They are packed with calcium, magnesium, and nitrogen, essential nutrients that make roots stronger, leaves greener, and blooms more vibrant. But there's a secret. Simply tossing whole shells on the soil doesn't work. The plant can't absorb anything like that. Here's the correct method. Technique 1 for existing plants. Wash the eggshells and let them dry. Then crush them as finely as you can. Powder is perfect. Sprinkle this around the soil and gently mix it into the top layer. This helps the nutrients reach the roots faster and also keeps certain pests away. Technique 2 for new plantings. When preparing soil in a pot or garden bed, mix the crushed shells right into the substrate before planting. This gives young roots a constant supply of minerals as they grow. With these 2 natural, zero-cost techniques, your plants will stay strong, blooming, and beautifully green, even in colder weather. If you found this helpful, tap like, share with your gardening friends, and subscribe for more simple nature-powered tips. Wishing you a flourishing garden. See you in the next video.